WhatsApp. I think all you guys are using WhatsApp. WhatsApp you guys are using, na? So you guys are using WhatsApp. When someone is sending a message, what will happen? You cannot open your app continuously, right? So basically, what will happen is like you will be not opening your app, not running your app continuously. You will be closing your app. Although you close your app, you still receive a notification. So how does this happen? So notification. See, for example, a notification is like another, I mean to say, it is a small message which you want to convey to the user regarding some message that are receiving of if you consider a WhatsApp, you are telling the user that you have received a new message from so and so chat, so and so person, you please respond. So that is what we'll tell. When a user click on that notification, we'll again we'll open the app only and opening the app, and then we'll perform some action. That is what we do. Okay. And so basically, when you basically when you actually want to work on a real time notification, so real time notification in the sense when you really want to connect to some cloud and basically to fetch some data and all, now we basically use something called GCP, Google Cloud Firebase notification. So that later on we'll see how to use a real-time cloud and all. When I'm explaining you the complete architecture, I'll tell you that. So how it will work is like each and every mobile, when it installs the app which needs to receive the notification, it will be creating a unique ID. What is that? A unique ID or a app ID will be created. Using that app ID, we need to register this user to the cloud. So we need to first register to the user with the unique ID, and that unique ID will get, I mean, subscribed. Register in the sense it will get subscribed to the notification or GCM, Google Cloud, Firebase thing and all. So what we'll do once it got subscribed to something, for example, I will get subscribed to a chat. For any user sending to this ID, will receive a notification automatically. How do we do that? We'll be running a service in the background. I'll be keep on running a service in the background. That service will be keep on waiting for notifications. Have you guys heard of PubSub mechanism? Hello? MQTT PubSub mechanism.
No, sir.
Have you guys
No,
heard of
sir.
MQTT protocol?
Yes, sir.
MQTT. So what is MQTT? Which is very famous and popular. Yeah. What is MQTT? Arey yaar, come on.
Message transfer protocol.
Okay. So what is the main concept, core concept of MQTT?
To send the
See, basic.
protocol for the alert message, to alert the person, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you a few things. See, before MQTT, what used to happen is like when I want to read some data, I need to keep on sending request as a client. So there will be two bodies or two users. One is a client, one is a server. The client will keep on sending a request to the server saying that did I receive a message? Did I receive a message? Did I receive a message at a frequent time interval? What is that? At a frequent time interval means every 10 seconds, every 30 seconds, like that I'll be keep on sending a request to the server. The server will respond to me saying that okay. So it will respond to me saying that yes, there is a message. Yes, there is a, if there is a message there, it will say message is there, take this message. If the message is not there, no message, no message, no message, like that it will be keep on responding to me. I'll be keep on requesting. It is a it is like a hectic task. So what will happen basically in the background, your process will increase, your RAM size, everything will be a problem. Your battery will get heated up, your phone will get heated up. So to overcome this type of issue, so I'll just share my screen. You're able to see my screen, na?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So basically, to overcome this type of issue, MQTT, this protocol, MQTT protocol, it's very lightweight application, and it basically works on a concept called pub sub mechanism. Means publish subscribe mechanism. What is that? Publish subscriber. So as a client, for example, as a client, I can subscribe to any topic. So what do you mean by that? So how do you mean, what do you mean by subscription and How does it work? So I'll just tell you the thing, like, for example, this is my application. So in my application, what features I have? I have features called, you take a Flipkart application. In Flipkart application, what are the features we have? So I'll just say offers. Okay. I'll just say new products. Okay. I'll just say big billion day. Okay. Big billion day sale. Okay. So like this, maybe like this, there are three, for example, there are three topics. Each one will call as a topic. After calling this as a topic, what will basically happen, like, so after these topics, so there will be clients will be there now. So each client, for example, we have some three, or maybe some clients are there like this. So I'll just take this as client one. So I'll just say as client two, and I'll just say as we have another client called client three. So what are these guys will do? So for example, client one will say, I want to subscribe to a topic called offers. Okay. Client two will say, I want to subscribe to big billion day sales. Client three will say, I want to subscribe to new products. So what will happen? When I say subscribe, I'll be registering with the unique ID or unique device ID or something with the unique ID to that particular topic. When I subscribe to this, when there is any change, for example, today I have 10 products in Flipkart, and after 10 products, what will happen? I am introducing a new product, 11th product. When I introduce new product, now who all subscribe to this topic? Only client three. Only this guy will get a notification saying that a new product has been added. Have a look at it. For example, Big Billion Days will come. So Big Billion Day, only client two subscribed. So it's not like sending every time the data. So it will send only the required data to the required person. For example, if these type of things are not there, I need to keep on sending. So now what I will do, I will subscribe and I'll just keep quiet. That's it. In the back end, I will just make a service run and I'll be keep on waiting for notification. When this guy means when I connect to internet, when there is any notification, this guy will automatically send a message to the client one saying that without requesting. You understand the concept. Earlier it was request and response. Now I am not requesting anything. I have just requested once. Earlier it was like within a minute I am requesting 100 times. For the response I am waiting. But now I'll request once and I will keep quiet. Whenever there is a response, automatically I will get a response for my request. You got it? So this is what pubs up mechanism. This will save a lot of your battery, lot of your memory, lot of your time also. Okay. Now everyone is moving to this architecture only. For example, you see this. So this is like a temperature sensor, it seems. So this is like MQTT broker who will be there in between. So it's like a cloud, you think. So what will happen basically to this broker? Two clients have subscribed saying that I want temperature topic. So whenever there is a change in the temperature, a temperature sensor will be located at some place. For example, temperature sensor I have located in Delhi. So my cloud, my broker, this is the cloud actually. It will be like GoDaddy or somewhere I put. This will be in somewhere US or somewhere. So whenever there is a change in this sensor will publish data to the cloud, and cloud will check who all the clients who are subscribed to the temperature topic. So immediately it will publish. Okay. So it's like a broadcasting. I have the data. Who all want temperature data? Take it. For example, today you think of temperature. Tomorrow I'll keep air quality. Day after tomorrow I'll keep maybe voltage sensor. Day after tomorrow I'll keep air quality sensor. So like that, water sensors, pH sensors. So like this, if I have 100 sensors which have been monitoring different parameters. See, for this client, it doesn't need all the different sensors now. So here filtering option also we are doing. I am saying that I want only temperature data. Based on temperature data, I want perform something. So this is how MQTT will work. So notification also same way. So we need to subscribe to means we need to register with our app ID, and then cloud will be sending the data. The data will receive. Once we receive the data, our notification will appear. So today I'll tell you how to create a notification. Basically, that's what I'll teach you now. Maybe when you are talking about cloud, when complete architecture we are talking, let us try to do an example on. I mean to say real-time notification with some Twilio or something. Let's create a new project. Now, as usual, we need to change our layout design. I'll just change it as linear layout. So as of now, we'll try to just get it by doing a button click. So how do we do that? So button. So I've just added a button. So I'll just say HTTP. I'll just wait one and one not match parent click here for notification. So I'll just share this. So let us do that. So now I'll always used to tell one way. So Android colon on click on notification button click some function name we get. Click on this, do alt enter, create. So it automatically got created. So perfect. Now let us write the code for actually calling the notification class and creating the notification. So how do we do that? In order to do that, first we need to have something called notification builder, and that notification compact builder we need to have, and we need to pass all the content which are required to start the notification. So let us see how to do that. Okay, so I'll just say notification compact dot builder equal to note notification compact dot builder of you need to what does this function takes context. I'll just this done. So I'll just do alt enter name reference. Hang on, what is your name reference? I'm not getting only. So next, we need to add some properties to this notification, like icon, title, and then what is the text you want to enter and all. So I'll just say dot set. We can say set icon, set small icon of dot drawable dot IC. So why I'm always taking this now? For this now, if you actually go and check here, this will be by default provided by your Android Studio. We don't need to do anything. That's why I'll always take this whichever is provided by the Android Studio. So next thing, let us create a heading for I mean context, title, and text. So I'll just say dot set content title. What title will give? Notification example dot set content text what will give. This is a simple notification. Okay, that's it. But why it is not taking? So after this, what we need to do is like we need to call a notification manager, and then we need to start this notification service and all. If you want to have anything, we just need to perform. So first, I'll write few steps how to do the notification. First, we need to create the notification builder. That is what we have done. After that, we need to set the properties to the notification. Next, we need to attach some action. Uh, so simple steps is so I'll just say step one. So create notification builder. So we'll just see. Then I'll just say this is my step two. Oh my God. Step two. Attach. I mean to say attach some. These are like a properties to the notification. So we can just set the notification properties. Then we can just say step three. Attach actions. So attach action in the sense what you want to do after getting a notification, what you want to do. So you say when you click on a notification, you launch the same page in the thing. So how do I do that? Using intent only. When you want anything, na? So the simple concept is intent notification intent equal to 1 second. New intent of this comma main activity dot class. So I'm just saying okay. Again, you open the same page only. No problem for me. After that, you need to have a pending intent and you need to call this class. So that is what we'll do. So how do we do that? We need to say pending intent object we create equal to pending intent dot get activity of. We need to pass the different parameters which are required for this. So the first parameter is content this dot comma 0 you pass a request code. Then you need to pass the intent. So what is your intent you have created here? So same thing, notification intent. And then what is the fourth parameter? Flags. So flags means you need to just say pending intent dot flag update current will take. This will basically update your current notification every time when you click on notification multiple times. Na? It will always try to open the current intent only. So you have taken the action also what you want to do. Then we need to say builder. Or we didn't create an object, that is the issue. Notification builder. builder dot set. I mean to say we need to set the content intent. The same thing, set content intent of pending intent. That's it. Over. So now we have taken the action also what we want to. Then we need to issue the notification. Step 4 is the main part, issue notification. So how do we do that? So I just need to say for issue the notification. So how do we issue this notification? By using something called as notification manager. So what do we need to create an object again? Notification manager equal to, so object also Android Studio only will automatically suggest. We don't need to type anything. Uh, so we just say get system service of so we need to say content dot context dot notification service. So we need to just do this, and then we need to notify. So we need to call the notify account. What is this? Cast. So done. So we just need to say notification manager dot notify of. So what is it expect? It will expect two things: ID and the notification. So ID is we just say 0 only. Then we just say where is our this thing? It's in builder. So I'll just say builder dot build. What is this? Oh my God. Add permissions, it seems. So permission means when I say add permission, na. So permissions where we need to add, I told you in the first class, na. So here, got it, huh? So if I remove this, na, there is a error. So see, you see Android, you don't need to do anything. It is intelligent also. So what did I do? I just say alt enter. It is saying add permission. And then I say enter, na. So it is not only adding permissions in this file, it is added permission in this file. So permissions and all you should take care. So it is added here. Perfect, done. So now what we'll do, we'll connect and I'll try to run the. So very simple steps. What are the steps? Create notification builder like this. Then step 2, set notification properties like what icon you want to set to the notification, then notification title, then notification text. And then step 3, what action? When I click on the notification, what should happen? This will be happening. And then step 4, issue the notification. How do you issue the notification? Using notification manager. And this is how we, after issuing the notification, we just need to notify the people saying that you got notification. That's it. So now let us run this and see how it works. I'll just connect my mobile and I'll just show you how this works. So we this got open, and when I click on this, na, Were you able to see my screen? So this is what I think. Can you hear me, guys? So this is the notification which I have created, na? So when I click on this notification, na, it will open the same app. You got it, huh? See, I'll show you again. So this is the example which you are running. So I'll just click on the notification. Oh my God, what's happening? So right now, if you guys see, I have clicked on the notification. So I got a notification message. So I'll just close this. If you see here, this is my notification example message. Then when I click on this, so automatically, although I close the app, it will open the same app. Is it clear, everyone? So very simple. So basically, I told you that is and all will happen dynamically. So dynamically, in the sense, what will happen in the sense, we will be registering. So there will be separate code. We need to register to a service. Now, once we have registered to the service will run backend, and we will be calling this function over there. That's it. So this is a simple notification, and what on-click performance also we have done. So have you guys have any idea of alert dialog? What does alert dialog will do? Alert dialog, and when to use alert dialogs?